Hey everyone, after a long time ago, we are.
After a long time ago, after or ago दोनों लगा दिए. After a long time.
दोबारा बोलते हैं.
नहीं यही रहेगा.
Hello everyone, after a long time, we are here, and guys, already I was busy with some family works and with some not festival, some family functions and her engagement, and so that's why I'm little busy with my some household chores works, and now I am ready to improve English, and re- now I am focused. Now I am focused to improve English, to learn English. So today we have just write down some vocabulary words, and now we practice on these words and make sentence. I make sentence on these subjects. Okay, so yes.
See guys, his English after 10 days gap. So for last 10 days, as you know, we were busy and he didn't practice at all, and now he is not able to construct sentences properly. So this happens with everyone, and that is why I always tell you that do not break the consistency. Okay, so yes, while watching some videos he noted down a few words, and I'm going to ask him to make sentences, and even you too, using these words you can make sentences in the comment box. So let's get started. The first word is eager.
Eager. Okay. I am very eager to learn English and to learn something new related to English improvement.
Okay, great. The next word is vital. Vital means important, and there are
Vital.
many synonyms of vital, like significant, essential, crucial, critical, foremost, imperative. These words you guys can use. You have to make a sentence using vital.
Vital. Okay. Vital is play important role while we give interview and something related to our uh,
Vital is play an important role. Vital means an important. So you can say English plays a vital role.
yes, English plays a vital role when we give any interview and when we give any presentation, I think.
Right. Not I think, it's true that yes.
It's true.
We need to be very good or efficient at communication and presentation. It's really vital. It plays an essential role. Okay, the next one is, what is this? Borrow. He has noted down a few words. I'm not able to read properly, so yeah. The word is borrow.
Okay. Always I borrow books from my sister because I have no any books for reading purpose.
He borrows my phone, my mic,
For
and
reading
my this
purpose.
thing. Everything he borrows from me. Okay, the next one is excellent.
Excellent. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
she is very excellent girl because she is very great tutor. Only she is not great tutor. There are so many great tutors and there are so many great. क्या था words क्या था?
Excellent.
Excellent teacher, excellent tutor. I think. Not I think. Yes.
Not
really.
only she, but there are many. But also there are many excellent tutors
Excellent tutor.
or YouTubers. You can say.
YouTubers.
Okay. The next word is eloquent.
Eloquent. It's good speaker. Good. I think good speaker. Eloquent. Okay.
मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है भाई.
लेकिन मेरे को सजेस्ट करो. Give me suggest some point related to.
Eloquent means a fluent speaker. So wherever you can use the word fluent, efficient, proficient, there you can use an eloquent speaker too. So maybe you must have watched a person called Indu on my YouTube channel. She is an eloquent speaker. This is how you can use the word.
Okay. Okay. So when we learn something new like English, so that time very important for our. So that time very important for our that we learn, we improve, and we speak very eloquently.
Right. It is
Yes.
essential for us, but it's not mandatory to be always perfect. Perfection is not needed, but yes, we always should try our level best to perform better and to speak eloquently. Okay,
Eloquently.
great. The next word is simultaneously.
Simultaneously. Okay. Daily basis, I learn English and I learn vocabulary and I read a lot. And simultaneously, I make a video for my YouTube purpose.
Okay, interrupt.
Interrupt. Okay. Sometimes I interrupt you because of some because of some doubts, and when I confused, when I stuck at that point, any point, and that time I interrupt you. So I think that
Okay,
is
yeah, that's
interrupt.
how we use interrupt. Okay, affluent. The last word is
Affluent.
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 Means
Affluent means
wealthy, rich.
wealthy. Okay. In today's world, I think uh, affluent affluent is important for anyone
Being
to grow,
affluent.
to sustain in this socialism, in this
Era, in this time and
era.
age,
Yes.
in this time and age, everybody wants to be affluent.
Affluent. Yes.
Yeah, that's how you can say. And there are eloquent way. Sorry, there are several ways to be more affluent in today's time. Just you need to be very good or proficient at some essential skills. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, so these are the words for today, guys, and you all have to make sentences and let us know in the comment box that how's your English learning journey going. If you have also taken a break, just try maintaining the consistency. We'll come with more such videos where these videos can help you and him simultaneously. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys, मिलते हैं next video में.